let's tour the Sunset Junior Suite on the Vision of the Seas.
Is this the room?
Hi, I'm Alesia and I'm a diamond level guest with Royal Caribbean. We've been sailing out of Miami mostly, but this time around we wanted to know the simplicity of driving to the ship. We intentionally picked this room, so no royal upbids here, and we were excited to revisit the smaller ship vibe. We've never cruised during the summer, and we were excited at the potential for our vacation to start right when we were on the ship. Let me tell you the highlights of this room. With a small child, the bathtub situation was great. With a 9-day cruise, the private, large, yes, very large balcony was absolutely used. When we sailed away from Bermuda, I sat out on that lounger with my book and the quiet of the ocean. It was amazing. My daughter slept on the couch, fully pulled out, and we really could have had 2 more grown folks in the room. The couch was a full queen-size bed and was moderately comfortable. I actually slept on there one night, and my back wasn't hurting in the morning. So, yes, the ship is older. I mean, we were on the Icon 5 months ago, but I must admit that overall, I preferred this cruise experience. I loved the 9 days. The staff was amazing. Look, I don't think I've ever talked to staff as much as I talked to them on this ship. I mean, they were so personable. They asked a lot of questions, and the service was impeccable. I mean, honestly, I could have shed a tear on our last day on the ship, like at main dining. The main dining staff was so amazing. And I should say, I say this as a former Carnival Cruise Line production singer. So I know what it's like to work on a ship. And look, it isn't easy, but this ship staff was amazing. Again, I completely recommend this room. I recommend this cruise. I'm really gonna be sad that the Vision is leaving the Baltimore area because I gotta get back on this cruise. At some point, I need to get back on this ship again. What's your favorite thing about the room?
The balcony.
You like this room?
Yes.
What's your favorite part about the room?
The chairs and everything, and I like my doll sitting here too.